Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? And today y'all, we have another unboxing, you guys. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you guys. So I bought something. I had no intentions on buying this, you guys. One night I was just scrolling online. I think I was on Bloomingdale's, and I saw this, and it was $140. Let me move the box. Okay, and it was $140 on Bloomingdale's. So me, I'm the type of person, if I can get it from the actual company, I'm going to do that. So I went on the company's website and it was $170. So I was like, what is the difference? So I went back and forth and checked the size, and the $170 was a little bit bigger. So I was like, okay. And then when I looked at it, my phone would just make it in the smaller one. And you know, I'm cool with small bags, mini bags, but not all the time. Sometimes I want to be able to put my phone in something comfortably. So I got this. I got the larger one. This was, I'm telling you, it was just, I was just scrolling online, you know. So I got y'all ready for this? I got, oh Lord, another Geiger bag. Look at it, y'all. Got it in the gray. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Is that not gorgeous? Is that not stunning? This is gray on gray on gray, y'all. The gray eagle head, the gray straps. Like, y'all, this is stunning. Oh my goodness. Let's pull all of the packaging, the wrapping off. Throw all this in the box. Yeah, my phone will most definitely fit in here, no problem. Let me step back. Okay, this is how it looks on the inside. Oh my goodness. Here's the dust bag. Here's the little care booklet. Fell out. Put that back. Oh my goodness. Here is how it looks on the inside. So it does have this one little pocket back here. That's where the little care booklet is. Okay, so where the care booklet is, that's a longer pocket. And then in front of it, oh, I'm trying to show you, in front of right here, there's another smaller little pocket. So as you can see, the inside is black and gray. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's so freaking soft, and I love this. I love this. Here's the bottom. There are no feet. I wish it was feet on the bottom, but that's fine. Let's pull the plastic off the handle. Okay, y'all, here it is with all of the plastic off. Oh my God, y'all. This is so freaking beautiful. Here are the straps on here. Like, y'all, Here it is on the top. Right here on the little like grommets, it says Kurt Geiger London. Y'all might not be able to see that, but it does say it. Yeah, that's how the little buttons look on here to close it. Even they are gray. Like, I've been looking for me a gray bag. Now, you know I have my gray pillow tabby, and I love her. I love her. But this one, it's a little bit bigger, you know, and this is a little bit more le bouger. You know, if I want to go on a nice dinner date or something like that, or I have a meeting. Yes. Your girl lives in a gray t-shirt. Well, once upon a time, I lived in a gray t-shirt. And this will be a good way for me to dress up my gray t-shirt. Put on me a blazer, some nice jeans, and my bag. And baby, she is ready. Do you hear me? Oh, we love. Let me find my phone. I don't know where it is. All right, here's my phone. I'm looking at Deidre. Hey, Deidre girl. She live. So anyway, as you can see, it fits in there. Y'all can't see my phone because my phone is black, but it fits in here perfectly. No problems. So you have the front compartment, this back compartment, and this back little slip pocket, two of them. Y'all, this right here, this bag is everything. Alright, you guys, so this bag is called the leather Kensington Drench bag. I went on the Kurt Geiger website, you guys, and it's no longer on there. I guess because it was on sale, it probably sold out. But like I was saying, I also saw it on Bloomingdale's, I want to say, but it was the smaller one than this one. And that one was $140. If I can find it, of course, you guys, I will link it for you. But this bag, the outer is lambskin leather. The interior is monogrammed interior lining. Of course, it can fit a large phone. Duo magnetic snap closure hidden under the flap. The beautiful chain strap with patent leather inserts. The strap drop is 47.2 inches, okay? Y'all, we love it. We love, 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 love. Of course, you guys, I will be back with a what fits or what's inside my bag. I'm looking into some wallets, but I haven't found like the perfect wallet or card holder or whatever that I like yet. So, but that don't stop me because I'll throw some silver or some black or whatever color with this, and we'll live our best life. Okay. Once again, this is my baby. Oh, we love. Oh, we love, we love, we love. There's no pocket on the back. Bummer, but that is fine with me. That is fine. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this Kurt Geiger unboxing. What do we think? Do we love this bag or not? I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please make sure that you are subscribed to your girl. Please like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.